Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Husky Liner's hood shield on this 2025 Ram 1500. Now this is the same installation for all of the different styles. The tools we'll be using for this installation are a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a silver Sharpie. Let's go ahead and get started. Now before you start, make sure the hood has been washed and thoroughly dried. And with the hood open, we're going to use the hood shield and place it on the hood. We're going to mark the locations on the rubber seal that correspond to the holes in the hood shield flange. Use a fastener removal tool to remove the retaining fasteners that hold the rubber seal in place where we've marked them. Now bring the hood shield back to the hood and work the flanges between the rubber seal and the hood. Line up all of those holes. Now install a fastener in each location and don't over tighten. Close the hood and adjust the bump stops to raise the hood as needed. Install bump-ons at pre-cleaned locations on the painted hood surface. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts, visit us online, or check out our list of dealers near you.